Welcome to the English learning video for children. Today, we will learn how to make simple sentences in English. First, let's start with the subject. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Next, we need a verb. The verb tells us what the subject is doing. Now, let's add an object. The object is the person or thing that receives the action of the verb. Great! Now that we know the basic parts of a sentence, let's practice making some examples. Here's an example. The cat is sleeping. The subject is the cat, the verb is sleeping, and there is no object. Now it's your turn. Try making a sentence using the subject, verb, and object. Well done! You're becoming English sentence experts. Keep practicing and soon you'll be able to make sentences with ease.